quick overview. Where we are. Car missing, car missing, car missing. All the looms off. And the chassis on this side. Cooling's drained. Looms unattached. Also the aircon. I don't know if there's any gas in the system because it hasn't been used for so long. It might have all leaked by now. I need to do some research. Get in there. So no, I don't suggest you just let all your refrigerant out of your air conditioning. So if you're of a certain age, you'll probably remember all the deodorant cans with the signs no CFCs. Well, those CFCs are in your refrigerant, so it's really, really nasty stuff. And if you want another hole in the ozone layer, then go nuts. Alternatively, call someone like these guys. They arrive within a couple of days and we're really professional. I just find it a bit suspect that most of the car stuff on YouTube, none of them seem to discuss aircon. It seems to be magically a non-issue. Anyway, rant over. On with the next part. So with the aircon disconnected, we can unbolt the front structure and take it off in one piece, which is rather lovely. So let's get these drive shafts off and the downpipe so we can get the engine out. Cue the pumping trance music. And now, there's nothing else for it. Here comes the scary part. The engine's coming out. Oh, shit. Oh boy, that's out. Oh no. Get away, gazebo. So as you can see, the engine is now out. Right. Gearbox. Stuff.
So it's engineless.
Engineless, yeah. Right. Ready to get off. So the next thing to do is take the gearbox off. So I'm calling this a major milestone win. I've taken out engines before, but never on my own. So in the next part, I'm going to take the box off and take the head off. Very scary. And work on the head of the engine. So keep an eye out for that part where things get interesting.